Hi guys, welcome back to Divine Times 2. Hope you are having a great day. Today I'm in the kitchen showing you an easy and delicious way to use last week's recipe of tarragon chicken and almond salad. We are going to make pastry swirls with this salad, great for a party, brunch, get together, or as a snack. I'm excited to show you how to make tarragon chicken and almond salad swirls. So join me in the kitchen and let's get started. I have leftover salad, so I will be using 2 puff pastry dough sheets. But if you make the salad to make these swirls, you will need about 4 to 6 sheets. It also depends how much salad you spread on each sheet. I am using one 17.3 ounce box of puff pastry dough sheets, which has been thawing according to the box directions, and 1.5 cups of salad. At this time, preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Unfold the pastry sheet and spread the salad as evenly as possible on the dough sheet. Starting at the short side closest to you, begin rolling up like a jelly roll. Press lightly on the end of the dough or roll it back and forth to make sure the end of the pastry dough sticks to the rest of the dough. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper and place to the side. Cut the roll into 1/2-inch slices. You should end up having 12 swirls. Lay swirls flat on the baking sheet. Bake for 15 minutes or until golden brown at 400 degrees. You may serve these delicious swirls warm or at room temperature. If you made these for guests, you may place them on a tray lined with parchment paper and serve them alone or with a dip of your choice. I'm serving these with our recipe for homemade tasty ranch salad dressing and dip. I'll link this recipe at the end of this video. Hope you give these tasty and appetizing tarragon chicken and almond salad swirls a try. You are going to love them. Well guys, thank you for watching. Give us a thumbs up, comment. We would love to hear from you. And if you have not subscribed already, please do. We wouldn't want you to miss our simple, delicious, and comforting recipes. Remember to stay kind and positive. See ya next time. Love ya. Bye.